Welcome back to Healthy Horizons, where we bring you natural health tips that truly work. If you've been struggling with hair loss, thinning hair, or slow hair growth, you're not alone. And today, we're uncovering one of nature's most powerful secrets for strong, healthy hair, rosemary. Yes, this aromatic herb is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's a scientifically backed remedy that may help you grow longer, thicker hair naturally. Stay tuned as we dive deep into how rosemary works, the benefits for your scalp and hair, how to use it effectively, and what kind of results you can expect. Let's start with the basics. Rosemary, or Rosmarinus officinalis, is a woody herb native to the Mediterranean region. For centuries, it's been used in traditional medicine for its healing and anti-inflammatory properties. But in recent years, rosemary has become a hot topic in the beauty and hair care world, and for good reason. Rosemary contains rosmarinic acid, camphor, and antioxidants that are believed to boost circulation, reduce inflammation, and even fight off scalp infections. But its real magic lies in its ability to stimulate hair follicles and support healthy growth. So how exactly does rosemary help your hair grow? It all comes down to blood circulation and DHT suppression. Improved circulation, rosemary oil can increase blood flow to the scalp. More blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered directly to your hair follicles, helping them grow stronger and faster. Blocks DHT, dihydrotestosterone, is a hormone linked to hair loss, especially in men and women with pattern baldness. Studies have shown that rosemary may help block DHT from binding to hair follicles, meaning less shedding and more regrowth. Antioxidant power. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants, which protect your scalp from damage caused by free radicals. This creates a healthier environment for your hair to thrive. Anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. An itchy, inflamed, or infected scalp can sabotage hair growth. Rosemary helps calm inflammation, fight bacteria, and prevent dandruff, all of which can contribute to stronger hair. In fact, a 2015 study found that rosemary oil was just as effective as minoxidil, Rogaine, in promoting hair growth over a 6-month period, with fewer side effects. Now that we know rosemary works, how do you actually use it? Here are some of the most effective methods. Rosemary oil scalp massage. Mix a few drops of rosemary essential oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil. Massage it gently into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for deeper absorption. Rinse out with a mild shampoo. Rosemary water. Rinse. Boil a handful of rosemary leaves in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cool, then strain the water. Use it as a final rinse after shampooing or pour into a spray bottle and use daily on your scalp. Add to your shampoo or conditioner. Add 10 to 15 drops of rosemary essential oil to your regular shampoo or conditioner. This allows you to nourish your scalp every time you wash your hair. DIY rosemary hair tonic. Combine rosemary water with aloe vera juice and a few drops of peppermint oil for a refreshing scalp tonic. Spray daily onto your scalp and massage it in. Important tip: always do a patch test before applying rosemary oil directly to your scalp, especially if you have sensitive skin. Now, let's talk about results. While rosemary is natural and powerful, it's not an overnight miracle. Hair growth takes time and consistency. Most people start seeing visible results after 3 to 6 months of regular use. You may notice reduced shedding, thicker, fuller hair, faster hair growth, healthier scalp with less itching or dandruff. The key is to stay consistent and combine rosemary with other healthy hair habits like eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, reducing stress, and avoiding harsh chemical treatments. To get the most out of your rosemary hair routine, here are a few bonus tips. Combine rosemary with castor oil for added thickness. Use derma rollers on your scalp to improve absorption and stimulate follicles. Alternate between rosemary oil and other growth-boosting oils like peppermint or tea tree oil. Massage your scalp regularly to boost circulation even without oil. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of rosemary for hair growth. Whether you're dealing with thinning hair, breakage, or just want to boost your natural growth cycle, rosemary is a safe, affordable, and effective solution rooted in both science and tradition. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Healthy Horizons. Drop a comment below if you've tried rosemary for your hair or have questions. We love hearing from you. Until next time, take care of your hair, take care of your health, and keep growing naturally.